pag-alis at saka yung shooting incident. Sir, di ba yung supervening event na binabanggit ni Malis, dahil nga doon sa, based on the statement of the lawyer, nung lawyer ni Senator Bato, kaya nila pinilit na umalis dahil na delikado na yung buhay. My question is, tinitingnan ba ng CIDG yung koneksyon ng shooting at pag-alis? Dahil sa resulta ng investigasyon ninyo, sinabi ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano that Senate is under attack. Pero doon sa resulta ng investigasyon ninyo, hindi naman dahil sila ang unang nagpaputok. So, tinitignan nyo ba na yung dalawang event na yun ay may kaugnayan doon sa pag-alis ni Senator De La Rosa sa Senado?
So let me just say na, two incidents po yun.
Yes.
They are related. But the investigation is already with the Department of Justice. And I do not want to preempt yung findings po ng Department of Justice.
Okay, sir, another question regarding the issue of violation of Presidential Decree 1829, obstruction of justice. And according to you, aside from Senator Robin Padilla and 5 others, ay iniimbestigahan ninyo sa kaso ng obstruction of justice. Ang tanong ko po, aminado si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na prior doon sa pag-convene ng sesyon na nagkaroon ng Senate leadership changes, inamin niya na siya mismo ang nagdala kay Senator Bato, sinakay pa niya sa sasakyan niya para makapunta sa sesyon. And after that, aarestuhin siya ng NBI, nagtatakbo siya, pumunta sa plenary, invoking the parliamentary immunity. And according to Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano, take custody si Senator Bato de la Rosa na hindi siya pwedeng galawin. But, pagkatapos ng kutukan, lumabas si Senator Bato de la Rosa with Senator Padilla. My question is, wala bang accountability at pananagutan si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano sa kaso ng obstruction of justice? Well, in fact, inamin niya, under protective custody ko yan. Ako ang nananagutan dyan. Ako ang Senate President. Bakit niya pinayagan na makaalis si Senator De La Rosa with Senator Padilla samantalang under siya ng Senate protective custody? Ang tanong ko po, wala bang liability si Senate President sa obstruction of justice?
Sir, that question is outside of my paycheck. It's for the Department of Justice to evaluate.
But kasama yon sa recommendation ninyo na to evaluate yung possible accountability ng Senate President.
It's the question, sir, is outside of my paycheck. The question is to be answered by the Department of Justice.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.